Corn.
Well,
And they grass too.
so tell me, what animal I don't have? I don't eat grass.
Horses eat grass, and cows eat grass, and ducks eat grass.
Does chicken eat grass?
Yeah, but corn also. No, go that way. Mace. Mace.
What can I use out of pond?
What can you use for corn?
No, for pond.
Oh, a pond for your ducks?
Yeah, I know. This back.
I was going to say, yeah, because it's blue like water.
He hasn't even liked it. When I got him. Oh no.
What?
I'm afraid he's going to wreck everything.
Yeah.
I'm afraid I need to set it all up again.
Well, it's not hard work.
Yes, it is.
I like your bunny duck.
Easter bunny.
Easter bunny duck. What are those guys doing?
Eating
They're waiting for corn. Ah. Oh, I know. That could be corn.
Oh, yes.
Duh.
And this can be the bag of corn I can feed them with.
Turn around. Go back to Cameron. Go back. Go back. Go back. You can't go by the street.
Yeah. No, Mason. No.
Whoop.
No. Bad baby.
No.
Take him away from all the toys.
He'll go run on the grass. Hey, Mace, let's go run on the grass. You want to run on the grass?
Does cows eat grass?
Oh, yeah. That's all they eat.
What about meat?
Meat? No way.
Why?
They just don't.
Look at the cows. Look at the cows. Look at the cows.
Yeah.
What do those pigs do? What can they pretend mud is?
Pretend where the mud is?
Oh, that's a good idea.
What?
This can be the water.
Oh, yeah.
Well, when you go
Woo!
in there, down over, down on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah! This is more like it. This is more like it. Tell me what drinks water of my farm animals?
What goes in the water in your farm?
No. What drinks water?
Oh, they all drink it. Everybody needs to drink it. But ducks are the only ones that like to swim in it.
No, Mason. Badly.
Don't take your shoe off. Mason? No. No shoe off. No shoe off.
This is more like it. Look at my farm. It's almost complete.
Complete? That's a big word.
No, Mason. Complete. Complete.
Do you remember the new word that you learned today?
Identical.
No, not exactly.
Identical.
And what does that mean?
Two things are the same.
Mm. Good.
These are kind of identical
So-
because
Uh-huh.
because they're the same. Where there's not like there does not decide.
So does the word identical mean the same thing as same?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just a big word.
Yeah. Identical.
Identical.
No, identical. You said identical.
Identical. You said it right. Here. You need to blow your nose. Here. Cam. Here.
Oh, I see a bug.
Should we tell Lukey to come and move it? Here. You take it.
Oh no, I see two bugs.
They're so little I can hardly see them. Hi.
Oh, I want to move my farm somewhere else before the bugs get.
Just put it in your pocket.
Oh, right.
Keep it in your pocket.
But then it won't fly out.
No. Oh. I like how your pigs are eating. It's so cute. Okay.
I can't believe it's not strong. I think my animals are stronger than the wind. It's horrible.
They are. They're not blowing over, are they? Mason, you need to turn around. Mason, we need to go back. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You got grass all over. You want me to button your sweater?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yay.
Where's Cameron? Where's Cameron?
Can you flatten everything out so except my animal, please?
Okay.
Because that's how my phone needs to look like.
Okay.
And
Ooh, what's that? Wow. What's that? Everything green.
Yuck.
You like green vegetables.
Well,
No.
what about the leprechaun is